Hello and welcome. I'm going over the method behind creating this Willys Jeep. Just a heads up, this isn't a step-by-step tutorial. I'm just sharing my specific workflow and the logic behind how I'm building it. Creation of the Willys Jeep grill. I'm showing a slower version of my method this time to explain exactly how the grill is built. This approach uses a strict 8-sided circle foundation while maintaining 4-sided quads to ensure that, once subdivided, the geometry transforms into a perfectly smooth grill. I want to be clear. The mesh density isn't perfectly uniform, and some areas have more quads than others. While this maintains the correct physical shape, I will need to keep an eye on your UVs during texturing to handle that varying density. I'm prioritizing the 4-sided quad rule and the 8-sided circles to guarantee the shape is spot on, even if the grid isn't perfectly spaced. I'm using a quicker method for the inner grill section instead of mirroring it. I just duplicated the bottom piece, rotated it into position, and snapped it right into place. I'm just moving the vertices into place to match the silhouette of the grill, while making sure I maintain the spacing between them. I know there are tools in Loop Tools that can handle equal spacing automatically, but since the intersection is being removed anyway, I'm happy to just check this by eye. I'm placing these cuts right where the grill will be removed, visualizing how the quads will form during the process. I want to make sure the topology stays clean once that section is gone. I'm making some changes to the mesh since I wasn't happy with that last cut. I'm splitting the quad in half and terminating the cut toward the outside instead. I think this will subdivide much better. I'm trying to avoid having too many small quads for the texturing process so I can maintain that equal spacing. When mirroring the grill, the end segment's size appeared to be slightly off. While I could have quickly moved the pivot point to handle the mirror, I decided to use a more traditional approach for accuracy. By duplicating a standard section of the grill and use it as a measuring tool, I'm able to verify the spacing. After checking it against the other pieces, the alignment is now correct and consistent to the eye. I am satisfied with the main shape now, so I'm moving on to removing the inner pieces of the grill. To finish it off, I'll add uniform thickness using a solidify modifier. This is similar to a standard extrusion, but it allows for a non-destructive workflow. I'm adding support loops to the inner and outer edges, so the frame holds its shape when it's subdivided. It prevents the mesh from collapsing and gives it a clean, beveled edge. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to hit like and subscribe. I've also made all my models available for download, so check the link in the comments if you want to grab them. If you've got a different way of tackling car grills, definitely let me know. I'm always interested in seeing how other people work. Any questions? Just ask. See you next time.